What if everything you've been told about money sounds right, but quietly keeps millions of Americans from ever becoming truly wealthy? Today, we're exposing the financial lie almost everyone believes. Since childhood, we've all heard the same advice. Work hard, save your money, and someday you'll be financially secure. Working hard is important. Saving money is smart. But believing that's the entire plan could quietly hold you back for decades. Every year, millions receive raises, yet many still wonder why their bank account barely grows. If you work harder every year but still feel like you're falling behind, you're not alone, and the real reason may surprise you. Most people believe that a bigger paycheck automatically leads to a better financial life.
It sounds logical, but reality tells a different story. The problem isn't always how much you earn. The real problem is what happens to your money after you receive it. Money quietly disappears into taxes, rent, groceries, insurance, subscriptions, and everyday spending. By the end of the month, many people ask the same question: where did all my money go? The surprising truth is that many wealthy people don't rely only on their paycheck. They make their money work for them. Think about it. You can only work so many hours in a day. Your time has a limit, but money doesn't have to. Most people trade time for money every single day. Wealthy people slowly learned how to own things that earn money even while they sleep. This doesn't happen overnight. It starts with understanding one simple idea. Assets and liabilities are not the same thing. Many people buy things that cost money every month, believing those purchases make them richer. In reality, some purchases quietly drain their future. The richest people don't always buy the most expensive things first. They often buy assets that can help pay for those things later. Imagine two people earning exactly the same salary. 5 years later, one is financially free, while the other is drowning in debt. What changed? The difference wasn't luck. It wasn't intelligence. It was the financial decisions they made every single month. Small choices repeated over time become powerful habits, and those habits shape your financial future. Many Americans chase higher income, but forget to build stronger financial habits. Income can disappear, but good habits stay with you. The biggest financial lie isn't that saving money is bad. It's believing that saving money alone is enough to become wealthy. Here's the truth. Saving money protects your future, but investing your money is what gives your future the chance to grow. The wealthy don't ask, how much did I earn today? They ask, how much did my money earn today? That one question changes the way they build wealth. Instead of spending every extra dollar, they invest it. Over time, those investments begin creating even more money without extra work. You don't need thousands of dollars to begin. Even small investments made consistently can grow into something surprisingly large over time. The goal isn't becoming rich overnight. The goal is building habits that make you wealthier every single year. Now, let's talk about assets. An asset is something that puts money into your pocket instead of taking money out. This is one of the biggest differences between the wealthy and everyone else. A liability does the opposite. It quietly takes money from your pocket every single month. The more liabilities you own, the harder it becomes to build wealth. Think about a rental property, a business, or investments. These can continue producing income even when you're not actively working. That's why wealthy people focus on building income streams instead of depending on only one paycheck. Imagine your money working 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. That's the real goal. Not just working harder, but making your money work harder too. Here's a mistake that traps millions of Americans. Every time their income goes up, their lifestyle goes up too. They earn more, but never actually become wealthier. This is called lifestyle inflation. Instead of investing extra income, people spend it on bigger houses, newer cars, and things they don't truly need. Wealthy people often do the opposite. When they receive a raise, they increase their investments before increasing their spending. Another powerful habit is living below your means. It doesn't mean living a boring life. It means giving yourself room to grow financially. The goal isn't to look rich. The goal is to become financially free. Those are two completely different things. Financial freedom doesn't happen because you earn one big paycheck. It happens because you make hundreds of smart decisions over many years. $1 invested today may seem small, but given enough time, it can become much more than you ever expected. This is why patience is one of the greatest financial skills. Wealth grows quietly before it becomes visible. Many people quit investing because they don't see results after a few months. But real wealth is built over years, not weeks. The biggest advantage isn't being lucky. It's starting early, staying consistent, and never giving up on your financial future. Many people believe they need a six-figure income to become wealthy, but income alone doesn't create wealth. What you do with your money matters far more. A person earning $50,000 can become financially stronger than someone earning $200,000 if they manage money wisely.
Every dollar has a job. You can spend it today, or you can let it build a better tomorrow. The choice is yours every payday. The habit of investing, even a small amount every month, can become one of the most valuable financial decisions you'll ever make. Remember, becoming wealthy isn't about looking successful. It's about building a financial life that gives you freedom, confidence, and choices for the future. Another financial lie is believing that investing is only for rich people. The truth is, many rich people became wealthy because they started investing before they were rich. You don't have to invest thousands of dollars. Even small amounts invested regularly can make a huge difference over many years. The biggest obstacle isn't a lack of money. It's often a lack of knowledge. Learning about money may be the best investment you'll ever make. Successful investors don't try to predict every market move. They stay patient, keep investing, and focus on the long term.
So remember this. The biggest financial lie isn't that hard work is useless. It's believing that hard work alone is enough. Real wealth comes when hard work, smart decisions, and consistent investing come together. Let's make this practical. Imagine you receive your paycheck today. Most people spend first and save whatever is left. Wealthy people reverse that order. The moment money arrives, they automatically move part of it into savings or investments. They never wait until the end of the month. This simple habit removes emotion from money. You don't have to decide every month. The system does the work for you. Building wealth isn't about making one perfect decision. It's about making hundreds of good decisions over time. The truth is simple. Your future depends less on how much you earn and more on the habits you repeat every single month. Many people believe they need the perfect time to start investing.
The truth is, the perfect time rarely comes. Starting today is usually better than waiting for tomorrow. Waiting for the perfect market often means missing valuable years of growth. Time in the market usually matters more than timing the market. Every paycheck gives you a choice. Spend everything today, or let a small part of it build a stronger tomorrow. Building wealth isn't about being lucky. It's about making smart choices consistently, even when nobody is watching. The biggest financial lie almost every American believes is that hard work alone creates wealth. Hard work opens the door, but smart investing, patience, and discipline are what truly build lasting financial freedom. Money is like a tool. If you don't give it a job, it disappears. Every dollar should have a purpose before you spend it. Before buying something, ask yourself one question. Will this purchase make my future stronger or only make today more exciting? Successful people don't avoid spending money.
They simply spend with intention. Every purchase fits into a long-term plan. Another habit of wealthy people is learning continuously. The more they understand money, the better decisions they make. Knowledge alone isn't enough. The people who build wealth are the ones who actually apply what they learn, one small step at a time. One of the smartest financial habits is paying yourself first. Before paying bills or buying anything else, invest a portion of every paycheck. Many people spend first and hope there's something left to save. Wealthy people save and invest first, then spend what's left.
The difference may seem small today, but after 10 or 20 years, those habits can completely change your financial future. Financial success is rarely one big decision. It's usually hundreds of small decisions repeated consistently over time. So don't focus only on earning more money. Focus on becoming the kind of person who knows how to keep it, grow it, and make it work for you. Another financial myth says you need to know everything before you invest. The truth is, you only need to understand the basics and keep learning along the way. Even experienced investors make mistakes. What separates them from everyone else is that they learn, improve, and keep moving forward.
Fear keeps many people from taking the first step, but staying afraid often costs more than making a small, thoughtful investment. Every successful investor was once a beginner. They didn't wait to feel completely confident. They started, learned, and improved over time. The biggest financial advantage isn't having more money than everyone else. It's making smarter decisions with the money you already have. The wealthiest people don't rely on just one source of income. They build multiple income streams so that if one slows down, the others continue working. Building multiple income streams doesn't happen overnight. It begins with one smart decision, then another and another. Another mistake people make is trying to get rich quickly. Real wealth usually grows slowly, quietly, and consistently. Patience may not be exciting, but it is one of the greatest financial advantages anyone can develop. If you remember only one thing from this video, remember this. Your income starts your financial journey, but your habits decide where that journey ends. Think of money like planting seeds. If you eat every seed today, you'll never have a harvest tomorrow. But if you plant some of them, they can grow for years. Every investment is a seed. Some grow slowly, some faster, but almost all need time before they produce results.
Many people quit too early because they expect instant results. Wealth rewards patience more than speed. The stock market may move up and down every day, but long-term investors focus on years instead of headlines. Financial freedom isn't built in a single day. It's built one smart choice, one investment, and one habit at a time. The people who build lasting wealth don't chase every new trend. They stick to a simple plan and stay consistent, even when others get distracted. Discipline often beats talent. A person who invests a little every month can outperform someone who waits for the perfect opportunity. The market will have good days and bad days. Successful investors don't panic. They stay focused on their long-term goals. Remember, wealth is built quietly. Most of the progress happens long before anyone else notices. By now, you've probably realized something important. Becoming wealthy isn't about luck. It's about making the right financial decisions again and again. The truth is, your financial future isn't decided by one big moment. It's shaped by the small choices you make every single day. Every time you choose to invest instead of spending impulsively, you're giving your future self a better opportunity. Don't compare your financial journey to someone else's. Compare today's habits to the ones you had yesterday.
Building wealth isn't a race. It's a lifelong journey built on patience, learning, and consistent action. And remember, the biggest financial lie almost every American believes is that hard work alone creates wealth. Hard work is the beginning. Smart decisions and consistent investing are what build lasting financial freedom. There's one more habit that separates wealthy people from everyone else. They make financial decisions based on logic, not emotions. When markets fall, many people panic and sell. Successful investors stay calm because they know short-term drops are a normal part of long-term growth. Fear and excitement are both dangerous when making financial decisions. A good plan is more reliable than temporary emotions. The best investment strategy is often the one you can follow consistently for many years without giving up. At the end of the day, wealth isn't built by luck. It's built by patience, discipline, and making smart financial choices over and over again. If you want to change your financial future, don't start by changing your job. Start by changing your financial habits. Small improvements today can create a completely different future tomorrow.
Imagine investing just a small amount every month for years. It may not feel exciting today,
but your future self will be grateful you started. The people who succeed financially aren't always the smartest. They're often the ones who stay consistent when others give up. Success with money isn't about being perfect. It's about making better choices more often than bad ones. And that's the truth behind one of the biggest financial lies almost every American believes. Hard work is important, but without smart money habits, it's often not enough to build lasting wealth. From today, make one promise to yourself. Before every financial decision, stop for a moment and ask, will this help my future or only satisfy today? Every smart decision may seem small today, but together they create a future filled with opportunities, freedom, and peace of mind. Financial success isn't reserved for a lucky few. It's available to anyone willing to learn, stay patient, and take consistent action. The greatest investment you'll ever make isn't in a stock or a business. It's in your ability to make better financial decisions year after year. Remember, wealth is not about showing people how much money you have. It's about having the freedom to live life on your own terms.
Imagine looking back 10 years from now. Your future self won't remember every purchase you made, but you'll definitely appreciate every smart investment you made. Financial freedom doesn't mean buying everything you want. It means having the ability to choose how you spend your time and your life. No matter where you start today, improving your financial habits can slowly change the direction of your entire future. Remember, your income is important, but your financial habits will decide whether your money disappears or continues growing year after year. If this video changed the way you think about money, then you've already taken the first step toward building a stronger financial future. Don't wait for a higher salary to start building wealth. Start with the money you already have and improve a little every month. The people who become financially successful usually don't make perfect decisions.
They simply make more good decisions than bad ones over time. Money grows where discipline lives. Small actions repeated every month become powerful results after many years. No matter your age or income, the best day to begin improving your financial future is today. Remember, building wealth is not about being lucky. It's about learning, taking action, and staying consistent for years. The future belongs to those who start today. Your financial future is created by the choices you repeat. Every smart habit you build today becomes the foundation of tomorrow's freedom. Start with one habit, then add another. Over time, those small actions can completely change your financial life. The biggest financial lie almost every American believes is finally exposed. Hard work is valuable, but without smart money habits, it rarely leads to lasting wealth. Now the next move is yours. The information means nothing unless you take action. Your future starts with the decision you make today. Thank you for watching. If you learned something valuable today, subscribe for more simple financial lessons that can help you make smarter money decisions. See you in the next video.